Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about GoTo Meeting, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a GoTo Meeting account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a GoTo account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing coaching or online training, GoTo is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, goto.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a GoTo Meeting account, you're going to click on this try free button. Okay, once you do that, you're going to need to enter in your first name, your last name, your phone number, company size, business email, and then create a password in order to set up your GoTo account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off screen. Okay, I went ahead and entered in the required information. I'm going to click here, start for free. Okay, immediately after, GoTo Meeting sends me an email activation code. So I'm going to grab that code and enter it in here. Okay, I entered in the required code. I'm going to click verify. Okay, quick second later, it brings me here to my GoTo Meeting dashboard. So I can go ahead and start creating meetings, connecting my account to my other calendars. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a GoTo Meeting account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.